baziro bwire burengwa etari kubahereza buyambi oburume byombeko entebe hamwe n'ebindi bintu konka ebine bahereza kasente kate ako kubeisa hwishomero ishomereri rukombe kwa mwaka gwa 1995 konka hitikiro mwaka ogu ebizimbe biri kukiro bwingi nibetonya po karubanga uri muhezi wa mukuru w'ishomereri yashobora ku government eri kushashara abashomesa cyonka konke bintu ebingi biri kwetengeso mu ishomereri biri kufuyibwaho ikirete iri ishomero ryahinduka amatongo
nakasika katwirikirimo nakakando kukusonka ka kutonya so itwena tuli kubi abasomesa tuli kubi n'abasomesa itwenga tuli kubi munabo ko namba litukuba intwegeseza busa library efukira staff room la computer lab efukira staff room kandi biro bino curriculum empya ke kwetaga mwana akole research akwa biro bino abegesa twaba facilitators tubyale begesa kyokati mwana taina mulingo gono gwa kusora geno mu library akasoma bukuba masanyarazi gaha ebikondo bya masanyarazi bikagwa
ogu yashobora ngo mu district ya Kikuube yona ishomere rya Munteme Fatima College ndio ritaratungira bishagi kibona obwe byombeko
nabwo kino tukusabira government na muno Minister of Education and Sports leo tukusabira office ya Prime Minister eri ni charge ya ekujunanizibwa na disaster preparedness baje batuyambe abo kobesomerenu somero nkuru mwene mazire myaka nyingi muno byati government gifiro ekikumara government haya katuhereza akala katoitaho baite bikiro bwingi ebya mbekero foundation bode kuruko kumwaka gwensanju ne 5 bikuzire so no tukusabira government
muringo ngogumwe Caroline Kirungi uri muhezi wa mukuru w'ishomereri urukora abyobwebembezi bw'ishomero yahigaba ministry ibyo bwegese hamwe n'ebyemizano uteriyo na office y'enganzi y'ihanga okwimukiramu okwera abana b'ihanga.
And we are calling upon government and all stakeholders to assist us through, because the students right now do not have anywhere to revise from, because the room is now congested with the teachers, and that room was being used as a library and as well as a computer lab. It is also a room which is also in a sorry state and needs to be renovated.
Wahati ekizimbe ekyabembezi b'ishomero babiri nibashitamamu kikatwarwa enjira y'ihunga nabanyuma za offices zona bazitwara mu library ekyareta irabeji batunga obucumbagizi abokuba bari kubasa kutunga aho kushomera ebitabo.
We don't long to stay in the same building because it is still dilapidated. If you roofed it again, it will still collapse. The winds here are too much. The place is waterlogged, and we need some assistance from government and other stakeholders. And we believe that if all that is done, we shall be able to teach the learners very effectively. Otherwise, we are in a very sorry state and we need your assistance. We thank you. Those people have come to console us in this trying moment where we have lost it all, but we know that something can be done for this institution.
Okurijira hari Kirungi ihungeri yateye ishomereri rekashishe bintu ebiri kurenga miliyoni 30 eze sente za Uganda. Amran Tumusime RDC aba district ya Kikuube yaraganisa ko ari kuza gukorekera ko basikacho na kurebekangwa bukiri kwataho batungo butumwobu
kandi mugirira mu mbere n'ikiri n'undi kawo buyobono wa Kikuube compiling a report yagenda kusonika mu office ya Prime Minister abantu twasaba ubukonyezi baitu ubukonyezi buno burayija tujya kusaba government yongereho sumerene irimo amasomo yakakuru muno ngonya baitu ko byombeko kwenda article batunge byombeko bini kabibiri yaka
yayongera yashobora ngo bwahati njira y'ihunga isisira amashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe mu district ya Kikuube agaruka ikashatu magombora agakizira mfumbi hamwe n'egombora ya Bugambe
kuruga enjure tandikire kugwa kujya no muyaga gwingi hano twakatungaho mu Kikuube report zintu byombo handiki bisatu enu eremu across our primary school nayo ibyo mbere kubigenzege kandi ho havuga no kutara kuke kwa begi Then na Bugambe primary school okuna hali Bugambe sub county hali